bunch of doggies.
Hey guys, welcome back to this channel and another video. If you're curious about yesterday's video on whether or not I was able to wake up early this morning, I succeeded. And it's a good thing that I did because I was able to get yesterday's video, which was posted today, up. And I have the rest of the day to do other things, business related errands and this and that. Which, speaking of that, I have dishes to wash, I have shampoo bar base melting on the stovetop right now, and I have soap that needs to be cut, and I want to get most of that done by late afternoon because we actually have a guest coming to our house, and he is bringing over a pheasant that he shot and killed, and we are going to be eating it today. So that's going to be exciting. Cale has come up with a recipe, and he's going to be doing the cooking. And I want today's vlog to be focusing mostly on that, but let's get this day going. It's already noon-ish. I'll put the time right here, and there's so much to do.
Oh my gosh.
You're home!
Woo! You scared me.
Sorry.
It's okay.
I
like to get, yeah, I think it was pretty good. I like to get all the product, even though we're going to market tomorrow, I keep all the hardware in the car and bring in all the product. So it melts. Because it's a warm day for October, huh?
Yeah, it's such a nice day. So how was the market?
It was good. I think it started off a little bit slower than usual, but then picked up, and sales picked up too. Had some high ticket sales as well. So we may not have had as many sales as like a
Transactions?
Transactions. We may not have had as many transactions as a booming summer day, but had some high ticket sales transactions.
Well, that's good. Usually on a really nice day like this, we can expect pretty good sales. It's usually the norm for us. But yeah, with fall coming, that's the season that a lot of people come out to the markets. Fall is like everyone's favorite time of year. Go to a farmer's market. I mean, that's my favorite time of year to go. So today we have A&W, and I have the matzo burger. So good. I usually get mine with no tomatoes. Cale has also a matzo burger.
I get mine with extra sauce too.
Sometimes on really busy days when Cale's at the market and I'm making a lot of stuff at home, neither of us wants to cook. So we usually grab something to eat real quick. And
there's just no time for lunch a lot of times.
We're okay with spending a little
Wait till you see what we have for dinner though tonight.
Oh, I think I already told them that.
Oh, okay.
Oh.
Well, make sure to get some footage of that.
Oh, that's going to be the whole subject of the video, is that?
I don't know why I'm still keeping it a secret. I feel like it is, even though you already told them. So.
It's pheasant, right?
Mm-hmm.
What is that?
Cranberries.
Why do you have so many cranberries?
5 bags is too many?
1 bag is too many.
Oh. These are fresh, locally sourced cranberries from Bala.
That's nice, but why do you have so many?
Well, Jan, one of the other vendors from Sunday, wasn't going to be there today, and she was going to get these from the Cranberry Man, and he wasn't there, or she wasn't there today, so she asked me to pick up the cranberries that she makes for her sauces.
Oh, look, it's our friend Chris with the pheasant. Here is pheasant.
What a cute bunch of doggies. How many cranberries I got? I'd offer you some cranberries, but they're not my cranberries.
Cale has too many cranberries. Maybe you can use them on the pheasants. Alright, so you got potatoes here. You got the pheasant there. And you say you have a recipe?
Yeah.
Alright.
I gotta look it up again.
What do you think, Jiggy? Do you think he's gonna make some good pheasant? She looks doubtful. Are you doubtful?
375, yeah, okay.
Oh wow. That's so interesting looking. It's about as fresh as you can get. So, after sampling the pheasant, what did you think?
I really like pheasant.
It's good.
A lot better than turkey.
Yeah.
It's a lot better than turkey. Similar to chicken, not as dry as turkey. I'm a dark meat guy. I didn't get... It's a smaller bird, so I didn't get any of the dark meat. I tried some of Jerika's. But the white meat was more juicy than, like, the white meat of turkey.
Yeah, I definitely think you need the bacon because it's a very lean meat. And I really enjoyed it.
Yeah.
So thank you so much to our friend for bringing that. That was a lot of fun. And thank you for cooking it. Cale cooked it. It was delicious.
Yep. And you told him that he caught it, right? Or
he hunted and killed it.
Yeah.
A little over 24 hours ago.
He literally put meat on our table.
Can't get any fresher than that.
Yeah. And I did the lemony green beans and the mashed potatoes. So.
But his visit did go a little long, so we didn't end up cutting the soap or counting the money. So we'll tell you all of that in the next vlog.
Yeah,
So,
got another market tomorrow. So.
Yep. Yeah, we'll tell you what our weekend earnings were for the farmer's market. And yeah, so stay tuned. Thank you to anyone who watched this and is supporting our new channel and all the new subscribers that have come in. I see you. You guys are awesome. And until the next video, just keep being cool, keep being awesome. And yeah, we'll see you guys in the next one.
Good night.
Bye.